Good Goody Women's Streetwear, the Warrior Collection, South Beach Furs, and more at Fashion Week's Brooklyn private cocktail reception. Our clear movements, Fari Di Future, known for its smooth, sound, and mind-blowing lyrics. A show in there, Farmer Man, see? What's the inspiration behind it?
Yeah, well, naturally now, treading this lifestyle, which is the holistic liberty of, going green. See that eating more vegetables, fruits, as opposed to the meat.
Record Store Day at VP Records retail store. How are vinyls records made? We find out from VP's master engineer, Paul Shields.
All the music to the lockers now.
You're watching Come Chat With Me, a Caribbean lifestyle magazine, and I'm your host, Ziggy Bless. #ArtBrooklyn. We attended a private cocktail reception to meet the designers who will be showcased during Fashion Week Brooklyn. As one of the leading fashion events, Fashion Week Brooklyn is a biannual international collection show founded by the BK Style Foundation.
And don't allow people to just let it go by. You can walk into an Italian restaurant, have a Chinese cook making you roti with a recipe from somebody from Greece. That's Brooklyn. You don't come to Brooklyn and push people out. You come to Brooklyn and merge into what Brooklyn has to offer, and we become this oneness of what Brooklyn is. That's the energy in Brooklyn. That's the energy. And if we're going to take this energy to the next level, then we have to be combative to people who want us to stay at a level. How do we take it to what Brooklyn ought to be? When I go across the globe, and no matter where I go, it's Sri Lanka, Lebanon, China, Africa, you see people walking around with Brooklyn sweatshirts and t-shirts. We are not a Metro card borough, we're a passport borough. We are global in our thoughts and global in what we do. And it's in the fashion. It's in expressing ourselves in the fashion, wearing what we want to wear, not being confined to the box of what we can. This is the moment right now. Everyone is breaking out and saying, I'm no longer going to be restricted by your definition of who I am and what I ought to be.
Hi, I'm Connie Chi. I am the founder of the Chi Group, and I'm actually the official branding agency for Fashion Week Brooklyn. Fashion Week Brooklyn is a fashion show that's been around for 12 years, and what they do is they give emerging artists and talents an opportunity to really showcase their work. Whether you're a makeup artist, a model, or a fashion designer, Fashion Week Brooklyn is the place to be.
Schuler from Runway the Railway, and I'm co-creator of Brooklyn Fashion Week, and I have two segments I'm doing, tech and sustainability eco-fashion, and also the plus-size curvy woman.
Hi, my name is Princess. I'm from the Glam Room located in Bridgeport, Connecticut, and I'm one of the makeup artists for Brooklyn Fashion Week. It's a pretty long process. You have to make sure the eyebrows are definitely on fleek because that's the main part of the look. Eyeshadow always has to be popping. You always want to add a little bit of shimmer for the glam. You always want to make sure that that contour is definitely on fleek, and you always want to make sure that highlight is definitely glowing from a mile away.
Hi, I'm Angelique Terry-Longe. I'm the designer. These are models in my collection of luxury line of apparel and accessories made from feathers that have the look and feel of real fur. For Fashion Week Brooklyn, you can expect exciting, luxurious look of old Hollywood glamour. You'll see some of my signature pieces, my hand-woven animal prints, coats, jackets, gowns, and a lot of handbags and different accessories. I've been in the fashion business for 30-something years. I'm a graduate of FIT and grew up in Flatbush. My inspiration comes from glamorous, fabulous women, and I also take my inspiration from nature. The beauty of real fur, real feathers, and animal skins and things like that. I sketch all the time. A lot of times in my sleep I get a sketch, I wake up, sketch it out, and then the next day I'm ready to bring it to life.
So today I presented 2 looks for my upcoming collection. The name of the collection is called the Warrior Collection. I hope to convey a sense of empowerment and a sense of inspiration as well, because that's where the basis of my clothing line and my collection stems from. Tashi is a faith-driven brand that promotes modesty in fashion, so that's what I hope to convey. I hope to impact lives. I've been in the fashion industry on record, well, since I graduated from FIT. I guess like over 10 years now. Yeah.
We poppin'. You see, neon is what it's about. We all about new, fresh colors. I know pastels, what's up, but pastels, we washing it out. No more pastels in the game. That's the way it is. If you want to see something new and fresh. 90s and neon, how about that? Inspiration is the hood, streetwear, goodies in the hood, hip hop music, rap music. I personally am inspired by Kodak. Shout out to Kodak Black. Free Kodak.
We also are women empowerment. A lot of our shirts have strong positive message. So we are a women empowerment line, and we are inspired by all the street females out here. Hood goody girls.
New girl order.
New girl orders. It's hood goody. We gangsta but woke.
Fashion for like 15 years. Did all the streetwear brands, urban brands, so it's part of my career. But the brand that we've been building has taken myself and 2 partners to build what it is. And again, it's streetwear, unapologetically streetwear for ladies. Hood Goody is the first interactive women's streetwear lifestyle brand.
Hood Goody is not a brand, it's a lifestyle. Get on it, you heard?
The All Clear movement is a positive near-roots movement that aims to uplift their people through the fulfillment of arts and reasoning. The acronym Out Clear stands for Eyes of Wisdom, Known, Learn, Execute, and Rise, indicating that in order for one to reach the highest heights of wisdom, they must first know something, learn it, execute on it, then they will eventually rise.
I said a long time I no see the farmer man. Oh, I say where have you been now? It's been a while. I no see the sign. No Babylon them want to take everything, and I hear my people crying. Boy, 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 boy. Oh, we are gonna make it out.
Yeah, man, you don't know. You're watching Come Chat with me. See? And we're there inside of Queens tonight, and I'm standing next to Fari Di Future. You know, know what going, brother?
Push up. Oh, I say, where is the farmer? Farmer man. What going, Ziggy?
Everything blessed, man. See? But don't say the energy, the performance a while ago, and we love the energy, we love the vibes. Oh, what's the vibe on stage for you?
Yeah, we give thanks, you know, cause it's a joy for always perform for the people. You know, see, I know, say, them really give you the energy, but the vibe was very receptive, you know. People them feel the message, because you know a message music we promote, so we give thanks.
We see them a sell out them in Jamaica. So tell me what they want on ya. The people tourism and agriculture. Oh, I say where is
That showing there, farmer man, saying, what's the inspiration behind it?
Yeah, well, naturally now, treading this lifestyle, which is the holistic liberty of, going green, see that eating more vegetables, fruits, as opposed to the meat. So we are pay homage to the farmers them, because them are the one them everybody bypass, Real. Them only know about the supermarket, but they don't know about the farmer. So we pay homage now to the farmers them, see it. Yes, I.
Oh gosh, hey, so make we dig, make we chop, cause we contribute for job in a state in which we can't get out. The government take the trash and export for local crops and no fish out time and see all around. Some ilalu, some carrot, enough dashing and so what's up to feed the needy people across the town. So make we plan non-stop, sufferation need to stop. Hey Babylon, I'm gonna burn you down.
I read up say the I forward from out of Jamaica, a place named Corville Garden, see it? See it? And I was living there for a short period of time and things, but Corville Garden, talk a little bit about from back in Jamaica, before we reach New York, give me a look at the history from back home and thing. What go on a yard?
Well, you find say, I grew up in a Corville Garden still, but everybody used to know I really for playing football. I was one of the known footballers in the scheme. So music not really new still because I'm my father do music and mother as well. But I mean, growing up in Corville was good, man. We just go to school and do the right thing. Keep out of trouble. See it and just go and focus.
So you used to write music them time in Corville?
Well, if I can remember still, like at the age of 16 I start pen I own lyrics still, but nobody never know.
Yeah.
Because them time they start record the music from off of the radio now. And start listen to them at night time and them start practice my thing now. But we are write lyrics round when we are 16. You see me? I don't see so now.
In New York right now. How long are you in New York right now?
Over 10 years, About 10 years. Back and forth still. About 10 years.
So a whole heap of work you put in and thing.
Yeah, it's a rough journey, Yeah, but I mean, our stage is, one coke of full basket. So, all if the work enough. All if enough work, just make sure say it count. Yeah. See it, because one coke, no matter who I go fast. See it, because I don't really speed, You find say progression. 1-1. And add up.
We are. This is good news, the Rastafari say. Evil works don't to follow. So this is good news, the Mambos Larry say. All the love food to eat. It's a jungle out there. I mama say, it's a jungle out there. Too much youths are dead. Big up my maker, big up every answer there we are trying. Don't stop trying. A long time we have been fireball, 15 years and counting. Oh gosh, I said who you are. So I still afloat and do things and comment that tomorrow.
You would want to stay more focused and keep at them vision. And a time for dream, a time for start vision things and get things into action. Because only for you now you find them always start, but the action partner really there. So right now at the go time, mama out there, she get in her age, she have to help her. Papa out there, she get in her age, she have to help her. Motivate yourself. Even when them try to kick you to the side, motivate yourself. As I tell you before, a 1-1 cocoa do it, so a progression. And I see it, know, learn, execute and rise. To gain the heights of wisdom. Selassie.
Every time, man, every time, my brother. All right, before you leave, my brother, because I know the vibe are going and you want to hold back energy and thing. The music career now, in New York and in Jamaica also. You know what I mean? What's your take on it, the whole thing, musically, the reggae music, the dancehall vibes? How do you think it's going right now?
Yeah, man. Reggae music and dancehall is alive and well, Where I see right now a unity, it's a jive. You can see all the reggae artists go link a dancehall artists same way. Because I want music, one progression. We don't want to divide it and segregate it. One entity, some man vibration is different and every man vibrate different. That's what I say. So just the energy still and a unity I say and I love it. I tell you, you must go and keep it same way. See it.
VP Records and Greensleeves released 2 limited edition vinyl titles and hosted its vinyl-only free sound system celebration to commemorate Record Store Day 2018 at the retail store in Jamaica, Queens.
I'm going to rough them up now. Yeah? All right. has been around for so many years. And today, vinyl is coming back because it's the authentic sound of Jamaica. Nothing can beat vinyl. As my grandson Joel always said, vinyl is final. You get the real thing when you play the vinyl.
I know money play a great fucking
Record Store Day, also known as Vinyl Day. It's been here for 3 years now. It's basically an international celebration of vinyl music. Record stores all over the country, all over the world celebrate with different events in their record stores. And you know, VP Records started out as a record store, which we're in right now. So of course we felt the need to do something for today. And this is our annual event held in Jamaica, Queens, in the VP store in the lot, and everyone comes out, listens to the sound systems, and has a great time.
Vinyl is to me, it's rice and peas and chicken on Sunday. It's going to the club on Saturday night and leaving the pot on so that you can have your rice and peas on Sunday when you come back. It's cleaning the house on Saturday morning. That's what vinyl is.
The smooth voice of one can go.
What does vinyl mean to you? You know what I mean? The history of vinyl.
Well, vinyl is like part of our life.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Because we used to hustle vinyl, like buy it in the streets, make our record collection. We put our homework in. We went to record stores, we went to flea markets just to get that one record. It's not like today you just go download the thing and boom, you put it in your computer. We have to do research and try to find the record.
Yeah, we're there. VP, the thing up right now. Yeah, without a doubt. Bobby Digital is standing next to me. Big man on the business. Foundation, I must say. Bobby, how is everything, sir?
Blessings, man. Give God thanks and praise, that we could be here today doing a good thing, trying to support a good cause, a good deed. So, trying to get this vinyl thing up and running because, I notice over the years people throw the vinyl them in them garage and on them bed. And I beg them say dust them off and come out back rolling again, because this is the real foundation of the thing. I would like to uplift it right now so people can know say, it dead but not forgotten, but we're gonna rise it up again and make the whole world see say the vinyl is alive.
We live in a time now when people are sharing material. Somebody have a song by MP3, email it to you.
Right.
But back in the days, you had to visit your record store on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. The songs would come in either Thursday morning or Friday morning. And if you weren't in the first 15 or 20 people there, you would miss out on the hit song, and you have to wait maybe 2 weeks for another shipment come in. So we kind of know the importance of vinyl, and knowing that, remember, so when you have a record, if it breaks, sometimes it's extremely hard to get back.
Vinyl is final. The touch, the feel, and most importantly, the pulsating rhythms that comes from reggae and dancehall vinyl records. Today is Vinyl Day at VP Records, right? I would love for you to show me, the step. Oh, vinyl all created. Can you do that for me, sir?
Yes, I can do that. I can show you the way we produce a vinyl, right? The first step is we get the production of the record, right? It produce, and we master it. Mastering is like when you put in the final touch, right? Yeah. Like a car, you tune it up and, sound good and ready to go. That's how you do with a song here, you know what I mean? Now I'm gonna show the process of making 45 records, vinyl, LP. This is called Lockers, and I'm going to transfer all the music to the Lockers now. Here we go with a new berry salmon. Alright. Come closer, I can show you what's actually happening.
Gotta lift my voice and praise it. Gonna shout it, gonna sing it loud. Up in the morning I say my prayer, thank you for another day, let me get it right away. I'm alive, yes. I'm alive, the best, don't know where, here I am, still the best, ask me how, I don't know.
Grooves are cut into what's called a master lacquer disc. These grooves represent the sound of the recorded music. When a record player needle runs over the grooves, the needle moves up and down, creating an electric current which, when amplified and sent through a speaker, produces the music you're accustomed to hearing. Once the grooves are cut into the disc, it becomes the master version from which most copies of the record will be made.
Okay, so this is the end of the song. So what we have now, we have everything on plate now, right? We have all the song on plate now. So all these songs, the song I'm Alive, it's on the plate now. So after it go through a process, it's come like the stampers. The stampers, and from the stampers, we get the final record, right? So that's how the process goes, right? Right, both sides, right? That's making a vinyl, you know what I mean? Sound much more sweeter than a CD.
Stay connected with Come Chat With Me. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Thanks for watching Come Chat With Me. Tune in each and every Sunday right here on CIN. We want to wish all mothers a happy Mother's Day. We close the show with Sizzla's Thank You Mama music video. See you next week.
Thank you, Mama, for the 9 months you carried me through. All those pain and suffering. No one knows the pressure you bear, just only you. Give you all my love, oh yeah. Thank you, Mama, for the 9 months you carried me through. All those pain and suffering. No one knows the pressure you bear, just only you. Listen my words and my uttering. Mama, I will never let you down. I'll never go away. I'll always be around. You know why you do it, such love that you found.
Simply Kills.